So I'm starting up another Xperia. This is the XPERIA SOL21. This one's pretty small and light, and it comes in a variety of colors. This one's blue, for example, but I've seen pink and etc. Again, the charging port has been broken off, so it's not waterproof anymore. Be careful. But it does have the same like kind of covered headphone jack area for waterproof protection. Well, at least originally. This one you can also see the NFC mark is up here. It's a little hard to see. That is the NFC mark. So you're going to want to touch your Tamagotchi around this area in order to get it to register. The power button is here on the side. Here's the volume up and down. This one also always makes me set up. So just go ahead and push English. Done. Tells you to put a SIM card, which you're not going to do. You can cancel this. And I've already set this one up as well. You've got the ES File Explorer here. Let's go ahead and look at the files I've loaded. Again, I downloaded this by APK, just a manual installation because I don't have a Google account hooked up yet. You can go ahead and hook up your Google account and then you can use the Play Store freely. If you go down to local, and then go to the internal storage. I put everything into the pictures because all the data is pictures. Got ID, IDL. Let's go to the IDL because this is what I have running at the moment, but they all transfer the same way. I'm going to do leaf matching. Okay. So you can use the ES image browser. Go up here to this little sharing icon. Go to share. Scroll until you find infrared, which looks like a kind of like an envelope, sort of. Go ahead and click this. Preparing to send. Here, go ahead and go to the heart icon. Download. If you put it up here, you'll see it quickly starts to send. And you'll hear a sound whenever it's completed on your Tamagotchi. Infrared transfers go really quickly. In order to test if the NFC is going to work or not, go ahead and open up your phone and your Tama. Touch. So you can see it registered. Now a random animation has been triggered. So this random touch feature is how you upgrade your garden in the 4U Plus. So you can see I've touched a lot. Let me see. Oh, because my garden is quite big and glamorous now. Okay, so I'm connected to the internet. I'm ready to go. Go ahead and open the 4U app, which I've already put on the front page. Okay, I'm going to do the Sakura hat, so I'll choose the hat. Then it's ready here, so I just have to hit this download button. First, I'm going to get my Tama ready. Go ahead and go to the download menu, go to 4U app. Now it's ready, so hit this download. See if you can find it, the sweet spot. Okay, so it seems to be easier if you hold it. Go ahead and open your 4U app option on your Tama and go ahead and get ready your download. So I'm going to put this down on the table just like this and see if I can kind of balance my phone on top. I'll hit the 4U download button. Oh, it worked. This one seems a bit hard to use while balancing it. It might be better to just hold it with your hand